Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 9 Forests of class 5 EVS. So children, before starting this chapter, I would like to tell you one very important information about forest, that forests are storehouses of many things. We can get many things in the forest, and here we are going to study about a girl, Mihika, who is going to Jim Corbett National Park during the winter holidays, and she is very much excited and thrilled about it. Okay, now forest, when we talk about forests are the storehouse of resources means various things. A forest is a land covered with trees where many wild animals can be found, and human population is either absent or very little. Means in the forest area only wild trees and animals are there, and humans do not live at that particular place, and if they live, they live in a very less number. We get many useful things from the trees in the forest, such as pulp of paper. Okay, the paper that is used to make notebooks and books, we get from trees only, pulp for paper. Wood we get from the trees, we get fruits, medicines and raw materials for many other products that are produced in factory. Raw materials. Through the process of photosynthesis, forests renew the oxygen supply in the atmosphere. Trees help to prevent soil erosion and add moisture to the environment, causing rainfall. As you have studied in your earlier classes also, that the process of photosynthesis by which plants prepare their own food is done to for the production of food and for the production of oxygen, that is very much essential for all the living things. Okay, so the forest renew the oxygen supply in the atmosphere that is used by every living individual, and they also prevent soil erosion. How they prevent soil erosion? The trees, the roots of the trees, it holds the soil firmly, and when the flood comes or any windstorm comes, it stops the erosion of the uppermost layer of the soil. Now when we talk about forests in India, we have got various different forests in India. The numerous products we obtain from forests are a part of our natural resources. The resources that we get from nature, that is available without any cost. That for that we need not pay anything, is called a natural resources. A natural resource is something that is something useful that is obtained from the nature. In India, dense forests can be found in the Himalayas, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Western Ghat area, parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam and Odisha. Depending upon factors such as climate, rainfall and the kind of soil, there are different types of forests. Okay, forests in India can be classified under the following groups. So the underlined areas that you can see in this video are the places where we can find different types of forests. Okay, so the first type of forest is tropical deciduous forest. Next one is tropical evergreen forest, thorn forest, mangrove forest and mountain forest. So in modern times, large areas of forests are being cut down so that cities and towns can be built. As a result, forested land has become less than what it was earlier. As you know, in the present time, population has increased a lot, and people need more area to prepare cities, to build their homes. So people have cut down the forest, and the forested land has become less than it was earlier. Okay, so children, in the next video we will discuss more about these forests. That's all for today. Thank you.